Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create social media posts. It's all about working smarter, not harder. I'm going to walk you through a streamlined process using AI and Canva to batch create posts quickly and efficiently. If you're managing social media for a brand, your business, or just want to stay consistent with your personal content, batching is the secret to getting it done in no time. By the end of this video, you'll have a ton of content ready to go, and you'll be able to create even more in less time. Let's dive in. Let's start by creating the content. First up, we're using ChatGPT to generate the text for our posts. Now, ChatGPT is an incredible tool because it can generate text, quotes, ideas, and more in seconds. Perfect for when you need to come up with fresh content fast. For example, let's say we want to generate 30 tips for fitness enthusiasts. And within seconds, we'll have a list of unique, actionable tips for our audience. This saves so much time and effort compared to brainstorming content manually. Next, let's generate 30 motivational quotes for fitness lovers. Just like with the tips, ChatGPT can instantly come up with powerful and inspiring quotes that resonate with your audience and keep them engaged. In just a few minutes, we've got enough content for over 60 posts, all thanks to ChatGPT. Now that we've got all our tips and quotes, it's time to get organized. Open up Google Sheets and copy and paste the generated content, one for the tips and another for the quotes. We'll keep them in separate sheets to stay organized and make the next steps easier. Once everything is in place, you can download both sheets as CSV files. These CSV files are what we'll use in Canva to automatically generate our graphic and video posts. Having everything neatly organized in sheets makes the process so much faster, and it's a great way to keep track of your content in one place. Now let's bring this content to life in Canva. Open up Canva and select the Instagram post square size. From there, you can choose a template that suits your brand style. Customize it with your brand colors and fonts to make sure it matches your aesthetic. The real magic happens with Canva's bulk create feature. Upload the tips CSV file, and Canva will generate 30 designs using the tips we've created. You can customize these designs as needed, but the bulk create feature saves so much time by automatically populating your posts with your content. Once your designs are ready, you can resize them for other platforms, like Facebook posts. If you have Canva Pro, resizing is a breeze, but even without it, you can manually adjust the size. This ensures that the content looks great on any platform. Next, let's work on video posts. Open Canva again, but this time choose the Instagram Reel size, as video content is huge right now on platforms like Instagram and TikTok. Choose a video template that matches your brand and customize it with the same brand colors and fonts. Now we'll upload the quotes CSV file and use Canva's bulk create to automatically generate 30 unique video posts using the motivational quotes we created earlier. Once the designs are generated, you can easily swap out the background videos to match each quote, making the content more dynamic and engaging. Once you've created your posts, you can easily repurpose them for other platforms like Instagram Stories or Pinterest. Canva allows you to resize your content quickly, so it's simple to adapt your designs for different platforms and formats without having to start from scratch each time. This is the power of batching. Create once and repurpose for multiple uses. It maximizes your content's reach without extra effort. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with any questions or tips you have about creating content efficiently. Thanks for watching and happy content creating.